New information learned about Jane is that Jane's test results for working memory index concluded that she was in low average range, so that 82% of her peers have a better working memory than her. That can be seen with Jane's weakness, which is unable to sustain attention, concentrate, and exert mental control. So she sees peers being able to pay attention and concentrate on work. However, we see in the Wessler test that she's unable to have that sustained attention in working memory. And this can also be seen when Jane has difficulty repeating the long strings of numbers backwards. So a lot of that is because of the working memory index number. Now, although Jane is having trouble with that in particular, her strengths are that she is very good at nonverbal reasoning tasks. So on the matrix reasoning subtest, she's scaled 12, and that is very good for a child at 10 years old. So some recommendations that we can refer is that Jane may benefit from chunking information. So basically, it's when you take bits from a larger piece of information to be remembered. So if you have a number, a 7-digit number, and you want her to help her remember that number, so you would take the number itself and pair them together. So if you had 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, then to help her with this, you would tell her to remember 2, 5, 6, or yes, 2, 5, 6, and then 56, 78. That way Jane can try to gain that strength in the working memory portion of her brain. Another recommendation is Jane's family, and that's going to go into a support. So the more support Jane has on homework, reminders, and not to focus too hard on those grades, it would benefit Jane.